Good morning. Welcome back. So I hope you have solved the remaining examples of exercise 4.1 and I don't feel there is any difficulty in it. Now we are going to study the next part of this, solving an equation. But before coming to that, let us go through certain basic mathematical concepts that we need. So we know equality, right? For example, suppose 9 minus 3 is equivalent to 4 plus 2. Is this an equality? Check it. 9 minus 3, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. This is an equality. When left hand side is exactly equal to right hand side and all are numbers, then it is called as the equality that we know. Now I am going to perform certain operations. Suppose if I add 5 to both sides, let's see what happens. Okay, means what? I am adding 5 to both sides. So 9 minus 3 plus 5, that is equal to 4 plus 2 plus 5. Let us see what happens. Now, what is LHS? 9 minus 3 plus 5. So 9 minus 3 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. And RHS? 4 plus 2 plus 5. So 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. Oh my God, they are equal. There is no change. When I add 5 to both sides at a time. So means what? If you add the same number on both sides of an equality, equality holds. It comes true. Holds means it comes true. Okay, now let us do another operation. This is first operation, addition. Now let us go for next operation. Again we will consider the same equality. 9 minus 3 equals to 4 plus 2. I'll subtract. Okay, now what I do? Subtract 2 from both sides. Okay, now so 9 minus 3 minus 2, that is equal to 4 plus 2 minus 2. On both sides, from both sides I am subtracting. Okay, now let us see LHS. 9 minus 3 minus 2. 9 minus 3, 6, minus 2, 4. Right? Then RHS. 4 plus 2 minus 2. Now, plus 2 minus 2, 0. Right. And so you get 4. Again what you get? LHS is equal to RHS. Right? And so what we can say? That if same number is subtracted from both the sides, that is left hand side and right hand side, equality holds. Equality comes true. There is no change. Okay, then let us go for the third operation. Which is that? Oh yes, there you are, multiplication. Right. Let's go for multiplication. Okay, now. So multiplication. So what I am doing now? Multiply both sides by 2. Okay, so what I did? 2 into, put bracket, 9 minus 3. If there is no bracket, meaning changes. So I want that bracket. Okay, then that is equal to 2 into 4 plus 2. Now let us see. LHS. 2 into 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 2s are 12. RHS. 2 into 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. And 6 2s are 12. What do you get? LHS is equal to RHS. What you can say? Oh yes, exactly. When you multiply by the same number, that is most important. When you multiply by the same number on both the sides, the equality holds. That means it comes true. Now suppose if I divide, we'll consider the same equality. 9 minus 3, that is equal to 4 plus 2. Now if I divide both sides by 2, divide both sides by 2. So 9 minus 3, bracket is important, divided by 2. You can write here also division sign and 2, doesn't matter, meaning is same. Okay, 4 plus 2 upon 2. Now let us go for each side. So left hand side, 9 minus 3 upon 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 upon 2. 6 upon 2 is 3. Then RHS 4 plus 2 upon 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 upon 2. 6 upon 2 is, yes, exactly 3. And so again what you get? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So what you can infer? When we divide both the sides by the same number, equality holds. Right. Okay. Now, what it means? That if I perform the same mathematical operation on both the sides, and no doubt there the number has to be same mathematical operation using same number, then equality will hold. Otherwise, it will not hold. Let us see the example. Okay, now suppose, again we will consider the same equality. Okay, and suppose here it is, we are going to add. Okay, and what I do? 9 minus 3 plus 2 on left hand side. And here what I do? 4 plus 2 plus 7. Let us see what happens. LHS. What is LHS? 9 minus 3 plus 2. 9 minus 3, 6. And 6 plus 2, 8. Oh yes. Right? Then right hand side. That is 4 plus 2 plus 7. 4 plus 2, 6. And 6 plus 7, 13. Are the two sides same? No. So, I am performing the same mathematical operation, addition. But I have not used same number. Here I have added 2 and here I have added 7. So if the number is not same, yes, equality will not hold true. So what is important? If you perform the same operation using the same number, your equality will always hold true. Else not. Okay, now same is the case for equation. The same thing holds true for equation also. Because what is equation? It is nothing but an equality which contains a variable in it. What it is? It is an equality which contains a variable in it. And what is variable? Again, variable is any number that will hold true there. Okay, so same rule follows for equations also. Now, equations, they are just like a balance. You know balance? See, there is a horizontal bar like this, right? And there are two strings like this, and you will have a pan like this. Am I right? Same thing here. Okay. Now, this will remain. Suppose this is LHS. I call this as left hand side, these as right hand side. Okay. Now, this bar will remain horizontal. Till when? Till both the pans will have same weight. Am I right? If it is here 5 kg, here it is 5 kg, this is going to remain horizontal. If you add same weight, means I add here 2 kgs and here I add 2 kgs. So what will happen? 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 2, 7. So again it is going to be horizontal only. So this is nothing but a equality sign. Equal to sign. Right? So this will hold till when? Till you add same weights or till you remove the same weights. Then only it will remain horizontal. If you don't add same weights, balance will go and it will not hold horizontal. Right? Same is the case with equations, my dear friends. Same is the case with equations. If you add same numbers, it will hold true. If you subtract same numbers, it will hold true. If you divide or multiply by the same numbers, it will hold true. Else, not. Okay. Now, let us go for the exercise. Exercise 4.2 and solve some of the examples, and then you can understand how to solve the equations. Okay. I believe whatever I have taken till here, you have understood. Okay. Now, I'll just take one example of equation. Then I will move for exercise 4.2. Okay. For example, suppose this is x plus 2, that is equal to 5. So what is to be done? Now here this is 2. You have to find the value of x. Now while doing this, what you are supposed to do, see the numbers nearby x. Because right hand side is a constant number, so no need to worry about it. My aim is to find x. So what I have to do, that I have to decide. Now here it is plus 2. So I want to remove this 2, plus 2, right? So how to remove? When I subtract 2 from both sides. Am I right? Yes, then only 2 from this side will be removed. Okay, so we can say subtract 2 from both sides. Okay, so what will happen? X plus 2 minus 2. Okay, and 5 minus 2. Now, plus 2 minus 2, 0. So cancelled. So what is left? Yes, x. And x is equal to 5 minus 2, 3. So this is the solution of equation. The value of x is 3. Now you can check it. You can verify whether the answer I have got it is right or not. How? Substitute here. Right? So here in this equation, x plus 2 is equal to 5. Put value of x. Put x is equal to 3. See what you get? LHS. X plus 2, that is equal to 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. So is LHS equal to RHS? Exactly. Yes it is. Yes it is. RHS is 5. So what it suggests? The answer I have got is exactly 2. Right. Okay. Now, so this is one example. So when it is plus, I should go for opposite operation of it. Minus. Okay. So that means I have to remove the weights. Okay. Right. Now, suppose, now this was plus 2. If I do it, minus 2. X minus 2 is equal to 5. Now here it is minus 2. So what I should do? I don't want this 2. So opposite of minus. Yes, plus. So what you will do? You will add 2 to both sides. Yes. Don't forget that you are supposed to perform the same mathematical operation on both sides. Okay? Now, so x minus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 5 plus 2. Now, minus 2 plus 2, 0. So, cancelled. Right? Therefore, x is equal to 5 plus 2, 7. You can verify. Now, here, solution of equation is 7. Our value of x is 7. Okay? Now, so, if I put here 7, 7 minus 2, 5. That means my answer is exactly correct. Okay? Then, suppose, this is addition, subtraction. Let us go for next. That is, 3x is equal to 27. Now, what is the sign between 3 and x? Yes, multiplication. Now, opposite of multiplication, division. My aim is, don't forget that objective. My objective is to find value of x. So, what I should do to remove 3? That should be the question. Ask question. What should I do? Here it is multiplication. So, opposite of multiplication is, yes, division. So, what you will do? Divide. I will use mathematical operation divide. Divide both sides by. By what? Why only 3? Someone will say, why not 6? लेकिन 6 से डिवाइड करने से 3 तो जाएगा, लेकिन डिनोमिनेटर में क्या आएगा? 2 आएगा. So is it possible to remove completely? No. So my operations and number choosing should be in such a way that I will get only x there. And so we are choosing here only 3. Do you understand? So divide both sides by 3. So 3x upon 3, that is equal to 27 upon 3. Okay, now, so 3 1 जा 3, देखो cancel हो गया, क्या रह गया? x. So therefore x is equal to, now 3 how many are 27? I know the tables. 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. So value of x is 9. Exactly right. So the solution of the equation is 9. Now let us check it. Put here value of x. Now students, what they do, I have seen last time also in my first topic. Now LHS equals to 3x. So students, what they do, they write it like this. Is it correct? It becomes a number 39. It is wrong. So here there is nothing means what? Multiplication sign is there. So give that multiplication sign. When some students were sending me the homework, I was saying such types of numbers and I have to tell them, no, this is wrong. So 3 into 9, otherwise it becomes 39. So you cannot do anything, right? That is a wrong step. There has to be multiplication sign in between. Okay, now 9 3s are 27, and what is RHS? 27. Is it correct? Yes. So the solution of equation is 9. Okay, then let's go for one more example. Now last mathematical operation. X upon 2 is equal to 9. My aim is to find value of x. So I don't want this 2. Now this 2 is in division, or it is in denominator of x. Or you can say x is divided by that 2. Opposite operation of division. Yes, multiplication. So to remove this 2, what I have to do? I have to use opposite operation. Here it is division, so I should have multiplication. लेकिन कौन सा नंबर लेना चाहिए? Can I take another number other than 2? I cannot. because I have to only cancel 2. So I have to take 2 only. Okay, so what do you write? Multiply both sides by 2. So x upon 2 into 2, that is equal to 9 into 2. You can see it. Both the sides are multiplied. किसी के ऊपर अन्याय नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? नहीं तो क्या होगा? बैलेंस जाएगा, और बैलेंस गया तो आपको अंडा मिलेगा, राइट? ओके, सो 2 1s are 2. What is that? Only x. X into 1 is x. So x is equal to 9 2s are 18. So value of x is 18, or solution of the equation is 18. Now you can check it. 18 divided by 2. I know the tables. 2 how many is 18? 9s are. So answer is x is equal to 18. So that means I am correct. You understand? Okay. So now we are supposed to solve exercise 4.2. Okay. So exercise 4.2, question number 1. I am going to solve today only question number 1. So exercise 4.2, question 1. Give first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equations. Okay. So I can solve A, question 1A. X minus 1 is equal to 0. Now what is there? Minus 1. Opposite of minus 1 is plus 1. That means I have to add 1 to both sides. Now what they have said? Give first the step you will use. So which step I am going to use? Addition. So how I am going to write? Add 1 to both sides. So this is the step I am going to use. Right? So x minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0 plus 1. Now minus 1 plus 1, 0. Cancelled. Right? So therefore x is equal to 0 plus 1. Yes, 1. So therefore solution of equation is x is equal to 1. Right? Then I am solving D. X plus 6 is equal to 2. Now here it is plus 6. So what I have to do? Yes, opposite of addition, subtraction. But what I have to subtract? 6. So that I can get x. So my step to be written: subtract 6 from both sides. Right? So x plus 6 minus 6, that is equal to 2 minus 6. My dear students, you can see here on both the sides I have subtracted 6. Now here plus 6 minus 6, 0. So cancel. Right? Therefore left is what? X. So x is equal to, now 2 minus 6. So this is plus 2, this is minus 6. Difference in sign. Go for, yes, subtraction. So 6 minus 2, 4. Give the sign of bigger number. Which is the bigger number? 6. What sign it has got? Minus. So minus. So x is equal to minus 4. And so solution of equation is x is equal to minus 4. Okay. Now let's go for one more example. Now after D, I can solve G. Y plus 4 is equal to 4. Now my aim is to find value of y. So here it is plus 4, addition. Opposite of addition. Which is our opposition? Subtraction. And which number I am going to subtract? Yes, exactly, 4. So therefore subtract 4 from both sides. Right? Therefore y plus 4 minus 4, that is equal to 4 minus 4. Now plus 4 minus 4, yes, 0. Therefore left is y. And here 4 minus 4, oh my god, 0. अभी हमें सही है या गलत? Let us check. Substitute here. Y value 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 is equal to 4. We are correct. Therefore, solution of equation is y is equal to 0. Okay. So, my dear students, you will solve the remaining examples from question 1. Exercise 4.2, question 1, remaining examples, you will solve them as homework. And whatever I have taught, you will take down in your notebook. Right? Okay? So, I hope whatever I have dealt today, you have understood. If there is any doubt, definitely you are most welcome to ask your doubts. So, let's meet in the next period. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Be safe. And take care of yourself. Thank you.